Okay, welcome back to the video in Ego Company. I'll wig my flag. Come on, how you go here? Come on.
It's a bomb.
It's a taxi. Can I eat it real quick?
Hey.
Fine. Taxi.
Stay still. English or Spanish?
You got something in your nose.
Oh my god! Oh
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna make a short video about the update. Come on. Go faster. Oh my god.
Stop it!
Okay, we gotta go fast. Go. Gotta get the goodies.
Gotta go fast!
Yeah, he's pretty fat. He's pretty fat, as you can see.
Gotta go fast!
As you can see, he's pretty fat. So, yeah, it's taking him a
Sonic
minute.
the Hedgehog!
He never heard of a treadmill,
Wait,
and he
Mr. Spaghetti
speaks,
King,
and he
Mr. Spaghetti
speaks
King,
pizza
Mr. Spaghetti
names.
King, Mr. Spaghetti King, Mr. Spaghetti King. Okay, first, we gotta see if the guy that got sacrificed to, the arachnid, I'm gonna see if he wants a hug.
Yeah, let's give him a hug. Oh my god!
Kill it!
Give me. Ball the way!
5 minutes! 5
Oh my
minutes!
god! Oh
He wants a hug! He just wants a hug! He just wants a hug! Ooh, time to do it on you!
Smacky.
Okay guys, so the purple ones, because that same one, they give you research points. Sometimes. Also, this is the spooder player. Ouchie. Okay. Let's go to the ultimate secret base of ultimate secret base of ultimate secret bases. I got nuts. What? I didn't say that.
I still hear about that. Okay, let's go. Go.
Did it. I'm so fast, guys. I'm so fast.
Push him.
That is not salsa.
It's salsa. Ow! The salsa hurts.
Yeah, it's not salsa.
That's why balls don't stick. Before I smack you.
I'm going for gold, huh?
Oh my
god! Purple! I wanna get it. Uh-oh, I need it. I'm scared. Oh, that isn't sticky though.
Wait, we can use this to mine.
It's getting sticky. Getting choke a dirt. Getting choke. What the heck?
Come on.
Ah! He's right there.
I'm gonna drop the bomb. I'm gonna drop my big fat dookie. Go. Woo. I forget.
What?
No!
No, I
No.
Trip over it.
You don't deserve those.
Trip over it.
I got chicken nuggy.
Wait, grab those. They're worth money. Jerry, I'm coming for it. Feel it.
Oh my god. Jump!
Go fast.
Jump!
I'm in the rope. I'm good.
Jump!
What? Give me the nugget! Oh. I'll save you, Jerry.
I just want to stab. Guess you got another big nugget.
Please, no.
You want it?
Oh, Jerry. No, that's Terry. That's Terry. Sorry, that's Terry. Terry, come here.
Whoopsie.
I'll save you, Terry.
Have this.
It's a Skibbity Rizzler, bro.
Get this thing. Head.
Come on, yeah.
I got this on this one.
Put it in this backpack. Put it in this backpack. Look, I'm gonna go get the ones up there.
Slam
Put all the
dunk.
pistols in that backpack. Chicken nugget.
Ah!
Give me
Wait,
my
no,
backpack.
grab
Cheers.
it. We should grab it at the exact same time.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2,
Alright.
shoot it down.
It's dead. What the? I'm scared. Can I fall?
Yeah, you can fall.
Oh,
Have you been to the bunker yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Do you want to check that out, or do you want to?
Money! Money!
How much do you need?
Enough.
I'm heavy.
Wait, it says no. It says no. It says no.
I checked it there. There's nothing in there.
Scary. Why are there nets?
This is where the
Whoa!
This is where the
How do
king.
we
Of,
open it?
this is where the king of animal company lives.
How do we open it?
You can't.
What? It's pointless though. Wait, it's fine.
Maybe future
Button.
update. Let's escape.
This is pointless. I have goojits.
Goo gaga. Goo gaga.
Goo gaga, you're getting sold.
Oh no. Oh no.
You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Oh, here, look. Baby, there's Cheez-Its. There's Cheez-Its in there. There's Cheez-Its in there. There's Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its. Free Cheez-Its. There's free Cheez-Its in there. Like how those go out. Free Cheez-Its. Hold on. Hold on. Don't. 1 second. Okay, there we go. Wait, is that it? Is it good? Is it good? Ew.
Did you say is it him?
No.
Man, I found launch beam.
Now I have $456,000. Look, I have a full one. I have a full one. I'm gonna see if you can run to sewers and back. Put this on you.
Oh no.
Like just to like that tree. Like to that tree, like the entrance to sewers. Alright,
That tree?
and 3, yeah, 2, 1, go. Bro! Everyone's a fun of it.
Wait, don't use mine. I paid one of those. I paid for one of those.
You paid for one, so contacts. What? That does nothing.